You won't believe just how wild your next sneeze could be. When you sneeze, you're not just clearing your nose, you're launching a mini hurricane. Scientists have clocked the speed of a sneeze at up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Each sneeze can spray around 40,000 droplets into the air, and those droplets can travel up to 26 feet. So if you think you're safe sitting across the room, think again. Here's a wild myth buster. Sneezes are not your heart stopping, but they do momentarily increase pressure in your chest. So next time you feel a tickle, remember, a sneeze is nature's way of giving germs a one-way ticket out at breakneck speed. Did you know that? Let me know in the comments. And follow for more mind-blowing science facts.